Ever felt like your iPhone isn't living up to its full potential? That's because you're not using these apps. 1. Rewind. Screen and audio recorder. Capture everything happening on your iPhone screen along with your microphone audio. This feature is ideal for creating detailed tutorials, documenting software bugs, or preserving important conversations during intense text exchanges. Whether you want to share instructions, report issues, or keep a record of critical discussions, this tool has you covered. 2. Vita. Tired of CapCut? Meet Vita, the video editor that's free, watermark-free, and drama-free. It's got transitions, text effects, templates, filters. Everything short of editing your entire life. Trust me, your Reels and Shorts just leveled up. 3. 1for-Wall. Next is a wallpaper app that I absolutely swear by. 1for-Wall. This app has some of the best high-quality wallpapers out there. We're talking beautiful depth effect styles that really make your lock screen pop. If you like personalizing your phone and making it look unique, this is a must-have. 4. Snipd. If you're a podcast enthusiast, you'll want to check out Snipd. This innovative app allows you to effortlessly highlight and capture the best moments from your favorite podcasts. With a simple tap, you can mark key segments, which are then saved alongside detailed transcripts. Think of it as a Notion-style tool tailored for audio content, making it easy to revisit and organize the highlights of your listening experience. 5. The xClip. We've got xClip, a keyboard extension that turns your regular iPhone keyboard into a full-on clipboard tool. You can store frequently used text, like your email ID, home address, or bank info, and paste it instantly with just one tap. No more typing out the same thing over and over. 6. Lock Launcher. The next is an app called Lock Launcher. It basically lets you place your most used apps right on your iPhone's lock screen. Imagine unlocking your phone and instantly tapping Instagram, ChatGPT, or even your camera, without digging through your home screen. It's super easy to set up, and once you do, it just feels like your iPhone finally got smarter. 7. QuickScan. Forget about cumbersome scanning applications that weigh down your device. QuickScan offers a sleek and efficient solution for your document scanning needs. With its minimal design and offline capabilities, you can quickly capture clear PDFs in mere seconds. Enjoy a user-friendly experience free from watermarks and pesky ads, allowing for seamless document management. 8. Tooz. Tooz is an innovative application that could very well replace your traditional notes, reminders, and calendar apps, all in one convenient package. Tooz is designed for speed and ease of use, presenting a delightful interface that is far less overwhelming than apps like Notion, making it perfect for streamlined task management. 9. Structured. If your day looks like chaos, organize it like a Pinterest board. Structured turns your to-do list into a timeline that actually makes sense. Drag, drop, done. It's like Google Calendar met aesthetic overload. 10. Redacted. If you ever share screenshots but want to hide sensitive info before sending them, like your email or account numbers, check out Redacted. It lets you easily blur, highlight, or even underline parts of a screenshot before sharing. It's clean, quick, and super helpful for protecting your privacy. 11th, NetBird VPN. Free, private, and built on WireGuard. NetBird lets you bypass geo-restrictions without giving your data to shady companies. Use it to unlock TikTok, stream international shows, and stay invisible online. 12. Rokoko Remote. Want to turn your iPhone into a motion capture suit? I'm not even kidding. Rokoko Remote lets you capture real-time body motion with just your phone. It's like Iron Man tech for animators, gamers, and next-level creators. 13. Reader. Sick of clicking 25 ads before reading an article? Reader 5 is the distraction-free, ad-free RSS reader you didn't know you needed. Blogs, news, tech sites. Cleaned up and delivered to your face with zero fluff. 14th. LockPod. Easily manage your favorite podcasts right from your lock screen with intuitive controls that allow you to adjust playback speed, skip forward or backward, and enjoy seamless integration with Dynamic Island. The experience is designed to feel like a native part of your device, making podcast listening smoother than ever. 15. Split screen, dual browser. Experience true multitasking on your iPhone. The split screen feature allows you to open and browse two websites simultaneously. Whether you're conducting research and jotting down notes or shopping online while scrolling through social media, you can effortlessly switch between tasks. The choice is yours, empowering you to maximize productivity in your daily activities. Which of these apps are you downloading first? Drop your favorite in the comments. I've got more insane app videos coming your way, so hit subscribe and don't miss out.